Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard liquid slime. First, you'll need to gather your materials. You'll want a good quality PVA glue, like Elmer's, and a borax solution. Make sure your workspace is clean and ready for mixing. Precise measurements are key to achieving the perfect texture, so have your measuring tools handy. Let's get started on this fun project. Now, let's mix our ingredients. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of PVA glue with 1/4 cup of water. Stir these together until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Next, slowly add 1 teaspoon of your borax solution. This is where the magic happens as the slime begins to form. Keep stirring gently to incorporate everything. Once the slime starts to come together, it's time to knead it. This step is crucial for achieving the desired hard liquid texture. Knead for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it feels firm and less sticky. If it's still too sticky, add a few more drops of borax solution, one at a time, and continue kneading. Store your finished slime in an airtight container to keep it fresh. Sometimes your slime might turn out a bit too stiff. If this happens, try adding a small amount of lotion, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, and knead it in until the consistency improves. Remember to always wash your hands thoroughly after playing with slime. Also, for an amazing audio experience, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your hard liquid slime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.